Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is May 12th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to the charts and see what's been happening this past week and what should we be looking forward to. I'm actually on a different account. And let me minimize this. And let me just zoom down here a little bit. All right, we're looking at this quarterly chart on the Dow. We can see for the quarter it had dropped down a little bit. It's pushing back up to that pivot, that resistance 1 level, and let's see if we're going to be able to break that here this month or maybe next month. And it's a little over 15 days left in the calendar this month, but we are pushing up pretty strong, and I think we're going to be able to break. It's going to be one of those summers where we actually drift higher. We have to kind of like wait and see if we can break that 400 level on the Dow. But let's go ahead and down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, this is why I'm kind of saying this. Look like we're getting like a bullish pattern forming here on a monthly chart. That's a bullish harami, and if we get this bullish harami, and then if we end up breaking the high of that previous candle, it's going to be pretty close to breaking our all-time highs. So I think if we get confirmation of this bullish pattern, we can actually go. We will be going higher, and we are above the 10, so we are still in a bullish market. So let's just see if this thing can keep charging to the upside now that it's had its little pullback, and see if it's ready to go higher. All right, let's go ahead and look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you can see here also now on this weekly chart, let me zoom in a little bit here. On the weekly chart, we have monthly pivots. We have gotten above the R1 on the monthly pivot of May already, here in the second week of May. And as we can see, a lot of times in the month we get pretty close to an R2 level. The yellow line is an R2 level on these monthly pivots, and we usually get pretty close to that. And if we get actually do the same thing we've been doing in the previous month when we in an uptrend, we will be breaking that all-time high. If we come on up here, somewhere above 400, that's enough to break that all-time high, and that's what I'm looking for, to see if we can actually do that. We had the bullish pattern down here, confirmation of it, and now a follow-through candle, and let's just see if we can keep. Now we at the top. I don't like trading the tops, because again, on my bullish trades now I don't look to get as much on them, or it's going to be time to get out of some of them, but let's just see what happens here. All right, stick to your plan, stick to your strategies, and obey those rules. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, this was a crazy week. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a Monday, and as you can see, this thing gapped up. Was thinking that it might have came back down, but it didn't come down here to this low. So we kept getting higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. This wasn't quite this one came down, but we got that higher high. We got a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now we're going to be running into this whole little thing right here. But we're going to be forming what one of my friends that likes looking at daily charts and stuff and intraday stuff. We're going to have a triple top. A lot of times he calls that triple top some kind of like a 3-man thing or some 3-something or whatever, and a lot of times he sees that it doesn't like breaking those triple tops. So we got to see what's going to happen once it gets up here to this top again, up around, especially above. We're above 395 already, and with the Dow being the big boy, we just got to wait until it gets to the top and see what happens. And that's only like $3 or $4 away. So like you say, let's just see what happens. $3 or $4 away is like 300 or 400 points away on the big when you're looking at the future contract on this one. So, but that's what I see. And that's all I have to say here today. I hope this is being helpful. You guys like this? Subscribe, like, share, and also let me get to that 500 subscribers and all. All right, this is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.